The indomitable and iconic B-52 Stratofortress is a bomber that is irreplaceable. This imposing aircraft isn't just a piece of aviation history, it's an icon, a symbol of American air power that has stood the test of time. The B-52's introduction to the skies was nothing short of revolutionary. Its design, unlike anything before it, sets it apart. The 8-engine, swept-wing design not only gives it its distinctive look, but it's also the secret behind its performance. This design allows the B-52 to fly at high subsonic speeds and reach altitudes well above what most aircraft can achieve. It's a true marvel of engineering that has proven to be both robust and versatile. The B-52's design was a game-changer in the world of aviation, but there's more to this aircraft than meets the eye. What makes the B-52 Stratofortress a powerhouse in the skies? Well, it's all about operational capabilities. The B-52 bomber isn't just a large aircraft, it's a strategic weapon. With the capacity to carry both nuclear and precision-guided conventional ordnance, this bomber is not to be taken lightly, but it's not just about the payload. The B-52 also boasts worldwide precision navigation capability. This means it can take off from the United States, deliver its payload halfway around the world, and return home, all without the need for refueling. Long-range missions are where the B-52 truly shines. It's been used in strategic bombing missions for decades, and its heavy payload capabilities make it an invaluable asset. The B-52 is a true workhorse, capable of carrying out missions that other aircraft simply can't. When it comes to operational capabilities, the B-52 is in a league of its own. The B-52 Stratofortress wasn't born an icon, it was made one. Its story begins in the 1950s, a time of rapid technological advancement and escalating Cold War tensions. The need for a high-altitude, long-range bomber led to the birth of this aviation marvel. But the B-52 we know today is much different from its early versions. Over the decades, it has undergone numerous modifications, each one an evolution to meet the demands of modern warfare. In the 1960s, the B-52 shifted from high-altitude operations to low-level penetration. This change was necessitated by the development of surface-to-air missiles by potential adversaries. Fast forward to the 1980s, the B-52 received a significant technology upgrade to its targeting and weapon systems, enabling it to deliver precision-guided munitions. Today's B-52 is a testament to the ingenuity of its engineers, adapting and evolving to the changing dynamics of warfare. The B-52's evolution demonstrates its adaptability and relevance in the ever-changing theater of war. The B-52 Stratofortress is not just a showpiece, it's a war machine. From the frosty tensions of the Cold War to the sweltering jungles of Vietnam, the B-52 has been a stalwart guardian of freedom. Its role was not diminished during the Gulf War, where its precision and power were instrumental in enforcing peace. With the turn of the century, this iconic aircraft has remained active, continuing to play a significant role in the Middle East. Its adaptability allows it to meet the demands of modern warfare, delivering strategic strikes with unparalleled accuracy. Throughout these conflicts, the B-52 has demonstrated its resilience and reliability, enduring where others have faltered. It's not just a testament to its design and operational capabilities, but a tribute to the men and women who have piloted, maintained, and supported this remarkable aircraft. The B-52's extensive and successful deployment history cements its role as an irreplaceable asset in the US military arsenal.